You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
Science solves problems. I'm not Hulk. He's part of me, but he's not all of me.
You cannot save Yggdrasil, nor can you save yourselves.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
I'm Hulky! Ow!
Have you ever considered, like, not scheming to usurp the throne of Asgard?
I can see Asgard has been invaded yet again. But is all that?
Seriously? You never thought about letting it go?
Asgard will be mine. If it takes an egomaniac mortal
The
to
battle
destroy
starts in
Atlantis
5,
to make that happen.
4, 3, 2, 1. Help get that vehicle to its destination.
Make Loki mad.
Stitch it together again.
I have spied a sniper.
Hulk snap sniper!
Who's behind you, my...
Good.
Double KO!
You're quite welcome.
Ah, no smashing us now! Ah. Hulk is hero! Take an axe to tree, make Loki mad.
Double KO!
Love it. Feels so good.
You're halfway there. Keep going!
I am strong again. Sniper, better get him.
Almost there. Don't turn back now!
Widow's fight.
I have many faces. It's the green monster I want. Bring on the chaos.
Here we go again.
I'm Hulky. Ow!
Get that vehicle moving again!
We are Groot. I am Groot. Behold the god of thunder. Green skin. I am good. My powers.
That's 3!
I'm Hulky. Ow!
Psionic surge!
Stopped him.
We don't get there soon. Yggdrasil roots are going to collapse. See that? Sniper. Take a look behind.
Hulk smash!
Double
Your
KO!
powers are mine!
Plasma! Enemy ahead of us.
Player.
Force burst!
Fight Hulk, you lose.
You are restored.
Quite
welcome.
I am Groot. Who's the strongest?
Vehicle reached a checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
The more the merrier.
Hulk breakthrough.
Sniper. A distraction. You let Darkchild out to play.
Bring on the chaos.
We will stand with you!
There's gonna be a fight.
You're halfway there. Keep going.
Sniper.
The more the merrier.
I am Groot.
You were expecting the Hulk?
I'm hulking out. Behold the God of Thunder!
Fine, don't mind me.
Slow down.
Almost there. Don't turn back now.
Enemy from afar.
Tandy needs help.
I'm hulking out.
A feast for my crows! Disappear!
Fully tapped soon unless we speed our progress.
We are in sight to the sniper.
Your power!
Holy grateful. Well struck, brother.
Oh, I'm fine, don't mind me.
Mjolnir.
Hostiles coming in fast!
Stop Loki killing tree. Go.
This war is bigger than one life.
Hulk smash.
Vehicle reached a checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
Behind you!
How power grows. Was just a scratch.
Bring on the chaos.
Invisible shields up!
Your power's up!
I am Groot.
Don't let anything stand in your way.
I have to get this right this time.
Behold the God of Thunder.
Suffer in the darkness.
No damage, though she may be my sworn enemy. You're on again.
Your power!
No smashing us now. On Tooth Grinder. We ride with you.
It's the I am more than just a trickster.
Did I come through the green?
I'm hulking out.
Psionic burst!
Strong again. Behind you, my friend.
Bring on the chaos.
Behold the god of thunder!
Only 60 seconds left.
Banner's back.
I'm hulking out! I am Groot!
So close. Your big chance. Down to 30 seconds.
This seems wrong, but I suppose we
One
must.
final push. We can take them.
Hulk's grateful. Can't win without Hulk. Stopped him.
The final 10 seconds. Another epic victory. Big win. The right heroes could make all the difference.
Science solves problems.
Hulk isn't the only one with a temper. Banner can smash things too, like instruments that don't work.
They'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
Don't take this the wrong way, Mark, but if you need help, you know, emotionally, try Dr. Leonard Sampson. He's a good friend.
Doc Sampson. Read his file. Is he gonna help me like how he did you? Is he gonna pull Khonshu out?
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Enemies ahead!
You need to stop that vehicle in its tracks.
Hulk grateful. He's...
Help. So cold.
Here we go again.
I'm hulking out!
Let's pop back up under their noses.
I never liked you, Loki.
Be right there.
Too puny.
Well, hello there.
My power grows. There's gonna be a fight. Hit.
You were expecting the Hulk?
They've made it halfway. Stop them.
I'm
Better stop that vehicle.
My power grows.
I outnumber you.
There's still a chance to stop them. They hit a checkpoint. Now might Good time to stop
Don't come
them.
through the green door again. I'm
Hulking arrows!
Better stop that vehicle!
Really could have used a mind like.
Don't mind me. I'm just dying. I have to get this right. I'm
Hulking arrows!
Better stop that vehicle! They've made it halfway! Stop them!
Strong again!
Fantastic! Ha ha! Ha
Smash
with the amazing Spider-Man!
Double KO!
Clearly, you needed some help.
Better stop that vehicle! There's still a chance to stop them!
Hulk grateful!
Lightning could fight.
There's gonna be a fight! He's a god. He'll be back soon enough.
I'll patch you up. That's supposed to hurt. A few times. Hey, team! Enjoy the amplifier! This is...
Behold the god of thunder!
Here we go again. I'm
Hulking arrows!
my power. Coming at you. I'll patch you up.
Hulk grateful!
Got eyes on some blood.
That's me. The more the merrier.
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man!
You're mine.
Slow down.
Still the best at what you do, Logan.
You better get a look behind you.
Invisible?
Strong again!
That fucking hurt.
You need hope. Stick around. Hulk smash!
Fantastic!
Stop them in their tracks!
Now I see
Release me!
I'm
Hulking arrows!
Anyone willing to help?
Someone scratch my back.
Still a puny god.
You better get a look behind you.
Only 60 seconds left.
Behold the god of thunder!
Enjoy the air of the fire! More bad guys. Just what we need.
Double KO.
I compliment you, Hulk.
Protect!
But Ben would get jealous.
Well, okay.
Ready, runt?
Gotcha. Back, bub.
Down to 30 seconds.
All out of whack.
Hold on. Fury.
The more the merrier.
You stop them in their tracks.
You're mine.
The final 10 seconds.
That's what you do, Logan.
Berserker! Someone scratch my back.
Vortex field!